come to my attention that a lot of people don't know some of just the basics of paintless dent removal, what we do here at Dent Gents. So I wanted to kind of give you a small instruction video. I have a small dent, it's right here, I'm pointing to it, right here on this Audi S5. Here's how we're gonna fix a regular door ding in a door. I take this wedge right here, and I take this window guard. I put this window guard down your window, and then I put this wedge right there, in between your window and your door panel. That creates a gap between your door skin and the door. I then take this tool and I put it down here. I'm able to push the dent out. So I'm gonna fix this dent right here. You can watch it in fast motion, how I repaired this regular door ding. And that's it. A good few pushes right in the right spot, and we manually massage and manipulate the metal back to its original state.